Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something really cool to dive into and it's called the Kalium network. Now this isn't just any blockchain thing, it's literally a game changer for how we think about privacy in the digital world. So let's break it down in a simple, easy to understand way. First off, Kalium Network isn't just another blockchain platform, it's designed from the ground up with privacy in mind. And here's the cool part, it uses this neat trick called zero-knowledge proofs to keep your transactions super private. Let's talk now about on-chain privacy. What Kalium does is it offers this amazing encryption and security without losing out on the DeFi features we all love. So it's like having your cake and eating it too, and that's really impressive. Now, this is something really cool, shielding and unshielding tokens. So imagine being able to hide your assets in a private address and then when you need to, send them back to a public address. And all of this happens without anyone knowing what's in your wallet. From my perspective, this is total anonymity, which is great. But what about swapping tokens? Well, Kalium has you covered. You can privately swap tokens using their system. Plus, you can even use your private balance for DeFi like lending, borrowing, and more. And that's pretty slick. And here's one of the best parts, because Kalium isn't just stuck on one blockchain. You can use it on Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Arbitrum, and it works everywhere. On your computer, phone, literally everywhere. Finally, let's talk about private transfers. This is something really huge. So you can send ERC20 tokens or NFTs privately, and nobody knows what you're sending, how much, or even who's sending it. So it's like sending a secret package that only the recipient knows about. So Kalium, it's this amazing system that's all about smart contracts. But here's the kicker, and it uses something called zero-knowledge privacy. That sounds super techie, right? But in simple terms, it means it keeps things private and secure when you're using dApps, which are like apps, but run on blockchain. Now, what's really awesome about Kalium is that it's not made by just one person or a big company. It's built by a bunch of people from its community. Think of it like a group project where everyone contributes their ideas and skills. So now, these community members are super into DeFi. That's short for decentralized finance, and they're using Kalium to make it even better by adding privacy when you trade or invest peer-to-peer. And so Kalium is fully decentralized. Now, what does that mean? Well, it's not controlled by any single person or entity. Instead, there's this thing called Kalium DAO. It's like a council where everyone who's part of Kalium gets a say in how things are run. So it's all about privacy, community power, and being totally decentralized. And this is pretty cool. Let's talk now about Kalium Wallet, which is a super cool app for anyone into cryptocurrencies. So what's great about Kalium Wallet? Well, it's not just a place to keep your digital money safe. It's also got this awesome feature where you can trade different types of cryptocurrencies with each other. And you know what's even better? You don't need any middleman for these trades, and the fees are really low. Unlike other trading platforms that limit you to one type of blockchain, Kalium Wallet lets you deal with a bunch of different ones. You can trade popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and loads of others. And guess what? No need for those annoying proxy tokens. Kalium Wallet is special because it uses this thing called the Komodo Kalium Wallet API. It's a bunch of tools for making cool financial apps. So we're looking at something pretty high-tech here. Their goal is to make trading across different blockchain types super easy. The way they do this is really secure, and they keep adding more types of digital money you can trade. So what's in it for you? First, you trade directly. No need to go through exchanges. Second, you can trade all sorts of cryptocurrencies. And third, if you're making the trades, it's free. If you're taking an offer, the fee is just about 0.13%. Plus, the way they handle trades is really efficient, making sure there are always enough offers and requests to match up. That's the scoop on Kalium Wallet. It's a great choice if you want a secure, easy way to handle your crypto tradings. Moving to Kalium custom contracts. Think of these as special tools that let you do all sorts of cool stuff on the Kalium blockchain network. So you can create your own digital currencies, set up quick payment methods, and even connect to real-world data. Now, you only pay once per use with the chain's own currency, so no extra gas fees. And if you're good with C or C++ programming, you can make your own contracts. And this means you could create unique blockchain games, apps, and more, which is amazing. Let's break down the main features. Private transactions, you keep your deals under wraps. Yes. Oracles. Now, these are like bridges bringing in info from outside the blockchain. Our gateways, super fast trading right on the blockchain, are Rust API. This is a modern tool set for making blockchain apps. Pegs, a cool way to keep your digital currencies stable. Let's talk about Kali, which is not just a cool name. It's actually the digital money used in the Kalium network. So what's special about Kali? Well, first off, it's super secure. They use something called proof of work, or POW for short, which is a way to keep everything safe and sound. And they also have this thing called delayed proof of work, or DPOW. This is kind of a big deal because it borrows security tricks from the Bitcoin network. That means it's really tough against those sneaky 51% attacks. Now, here's a cool part. If you're into Kali and have more than 1,000 of them in a wallet that supports it, and you've got your private keys, like your secret password, you can earn a 5% reward just for being an active user. That's right, you're getting rewarded for just holding on to your Kali. A lot of these wallets make it super easy to claim your rewards too. Moving forward to tokenomics, first up, 15% of the tokens are sold early, even before the public gets them. It's like a special early bird sale for those who support the project from the start. This helps the team raise money and build a group of early fans. 5% goes into liquidity pool. This makes sure that you can buy and sell these tokens easily on online trading places without causing big price changes. CEX listing, 18%. Then there's 18% for getting the token on big trading platforms. This helps more people see and buy the token, making it more popular. A big chunk, 19%, is for the DAO. This is where token holders get to have a say in important decisions like changes to the project or new ideas. Staking app rewards, 10%. They've also set aside 10% for rewards. If you own some tokens and help out with the network, you can get extra goodies as a thank you. Network development, 16%. For keeping the project growing and improving, 16% is for things like research and tech upgrades. It's all about making the project better over time. Partnerships, 7%. They're using 7% to team up with other projects and companies. This can make the project stronger and more useful. 7%. Lastly, another 7% is for spreading the word about the project. It's for things like ads, social media, and getting people excited about it. Well, that was for today's video. If you want to join Kalium, I will have all the links down in the description below so you guys can check everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.